This is a quick tutorial to show you how to use this mock-up of a street in Paris that has an awning on it. And it's set up so that you can create something in Adobe Illustrator and replace the existing file that's in here now. So the only things you need to have open when this file is open in Photoshop is from Windows, you want to make sure you have the layers open and the properties and then your tools. That's all you really need. So when you're in layers, make sure that you're in and I'm actually going to apply a color to that now. So when you open your file, you'll see a red indication by this layer. That's the one you want to select. You don't double click on it. You just select so that you're in that layer. And then over here in properties, you go to edit contents. And then you don't do the editing here. You go click again, edit contents, and it will take you to this AI file. And you're familiar with this typeface because we worked with it when we were doing our Art Nouveau type effects. So you can alter this, you can change the type. The idea is that you're going to have a connection with how you can add Illustrator files to a Photoshop file, and it can detect when it's changed and when it's been updated. So let's just see how this works here. I'm going to change that color fill to blue, just for the heck of it. Oops, it didn't change it. Sorry. To blue. There we go. So I've changed that to blue, and maybe I'll change the stroke to something like lime green. Okay, and I Command S. I save that, and I go back to Photoshop, and you can see that it's updated because it's a smart object. So I save my work, I close this file, and now you'll see that this awning has been updated to reflect the change I made. So have fun with this and explore all the things you can do with a mockup file.